here from Team Vizor. In this video, we are going to answer the questions you requested us to answer. First of all, what is the difference between switch, router and bridge? A router essentially determines which way is the shortest or fastest in a network and routes packets accordingly. A switch connects one point to another in a network temporarily by turning it on and off as necessary. It works at layer 2 with some intelligence. A bridge connects one point to another in a network. It works at layer 1 and 2 of the OSI model. It only connects two segments of the network. Now, what is a private cloud? A private cloud is a particular model of cloud computing that involves a distinct and secure cloud-based environment in which only the specified client can operate. Now, what is a public cloud? The most recognizable model of cloud computing to many of the consumers is the public cloud model, under which cloud services are provided in a virtualized environment constructed using pools shared physical resources and accessible over a public network such as the internet. Now, what is AWS service from the Amazon? The Amazon Web Services, AWS, is a secure cloud services platform offering compute power, database storage, content delivery, and other functionality to help businesses scale and grow. What is Level 3 and what it does? Well, Level 3 Communication is the premier global communication provider that provides communication services to enterprise, government, and carrier customers. Now, what are Tier 1 network, Tier 2 network, and Tier 3 network? A Tier 1 network is an Internet Protocol IP network that participates in the Internet solely via settlement-free interconnection, also known as settlement-free peering. A Tier 2 network is an Internet service provider who engages in the practice of peering with other networks, but also purchases IP transit to reach some portion of the Internet. Tier 2 providers are the most common Internet service providers, as it is much easier to purchase transit from Tier 1 network than it is to peer with them and attempt becoming a Tier 1 carrier. The term Tier 3 is sometimes also used to describe networks who solely purchase IP transit from other networks to reach the Internet. Now, what is the difference between service provider, enterprise, and cloud provider? A service provider company is a company which allows the subscriber access to the Internet. Enterprise, entrepreneurial activity, especially when accompanied by the initiative and resourcefulness. Cloud provider. A cloud provider is basically a company that offers some component of the cloud computing, typically infrastructure, as service, software as a service, or platform as a service.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Ahmed Khan and I will try to do the presentation. So, what is the difference between IoT and IoE? IoT just connects objects, but this IoE uses a network to correlate people, process data and things to become intelligent. What is the difference between IGP and BGP? IGP stands for Interior Gateway Protocol, which is a routing protocol which is used within an autonomous system, whereas BGP is an example of EGP. EGP stands for Exterior Gateway Protocol, which are used between different autonomous systems. What is MPLS? MPLS is the multi-protocol label switching. It is a mechanism in high-performance telecommunication network that directs data from one network node to the next based on short path label rather than long network addresses, avoiding complex lookup in a routing table. What is the difference between OSPF and ISIS? OSPF supports NVMe and point-to-multipoint link. ISIS does not. ISIS right directly above layer 2 versus on IP like OSPF, which may offer a security advantage. ISIS attacks cannot be routed. OSPF can support virtual link, ISIS cannot because it writes one to directly. On broadcast network, OSPF elects the DR and BDR, which cannot be preempted, whereas ISIS elects only a single DIS, which may be preempted. OSPF designates a backbone area, which is usually area 0, for inter-area advertisements. ISIS organizes the domain into two layers. OSPF router can belong to multiple areas. ISIS router belongs to exactly one area. What is looking glass? Looking glass servers are computers on the internet running one of a variety of publicly available Looking Glass software implementation. A Looking Glass server or LG server is accessed remotely for the purpose of viewing routing information. Essentially, the server acts as a limited read-only portal to routers of whatever organization is running the LG server. What is the private and public peering? Public peering is performed across the shared network called an Internet Exchange Point, IX or IXP. Private peering is performed by creating a direct physical connection, usually consisting of one or two 10 gigabyte fiber between two networks. What is different modes of fiber? In fiber optic communication, a single mode optical fiber, that is called SMF, is an optical fiber designated to carry light only directly down the fiber to transfer mode. Multi-mode optical fiber is a type of optical fiber mostly used for communication over short distances, such as within a building or a campus. What is DWDM? It stands for it is short form of dense wavelength division multiplexing. It is an optical technology used to increase bandwidth over existing fiber optic backbone. The last question is, what are transponders? Transponder is a wireless communication, monitoring or control device that picks up and automatically responds to an incoming signal. Thank you.